And the Department of Homeland Security says it has arrested more than 400 suspected undocumented immigrants. This is in North Carolina. So DHS says Operation Charlotte's Web is still going, despite local officials announcing otherwise last month. And it comes as the Trump administration's immigration crackdown is shifting now to Louisiana and Minnesota. NewsNation's Brooke Shafer, she's been tracking federal law enforcement for us. So, Brooke, good morning to you. What's the very latest? We'll start in New Orleans.
Hey, Kelly, good morning. Border Patrol agents will be in New Orleans again today for what they are calling Operation Catahoula Crunch. Yesterday, agents were mostly spotted in Kenner. It's a suburb of the city where about 30% of the population is Hispanic. Our NewsNation team in New Orleans got this exclusive video of some of the arrests and an incident where several men were spotted running away from officers and onto a roof, later allegedly throwing a bucket of nails at agents. We've not confirmed how many people have been arrested in the city so far, but initial reports said officials are targeting 5,000 arrests in this operation. DHS says it's looking for violent criminals. New Orleans incoming mayor, Democrat Helena Morena, says people are fearful and concerned about racial profiling. But Louisiana Governor Jeff Landry, a Republican and Trump ally, is welcoming the federal crackdown in his state. The governor said he also expects the National Guard in New Orleans before Christmas. Kelly?
Wow. So, Brooke, what do we know about this operation happening in Minnesota at the same time?
Local reports say ICE operations have started in Minneapolis and St. Paul as President Trump zeroes in on the Twin Cities' large Somali population. It's the largest in the nation. The administration has accused the Somali community there of financial fraud. And President Trump said this week he, quote, doesn't want them in our country. He doubled down on those comments yesterday.
They have destroyed Minnesota, that beautiful state. It's a hellhole right now. And the Somalians should be out of here. They've destroyed our country.
Democratic Representative Ilhan Omar, the first Somali American elected to Congress, described the president's comments as intimidation. President Trump recently ordered green cards for Somalis be looked at, and he's threatened to end the temporary protected status for Somalis in Minnesota.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.